Hey neighbors, holy shit am I slacking. We moved like 3 or 4 days ago, maybe even 5 days ago now. We're in South Carolina again, so we're gonna do some sketchy shit. Not today. Today we're going on a hike, a waterfall hike. So let's go on a hike. It's about time we get on a hike. My kid and her boyfriend are in front of us. But I got this heavy fucking pack on. I'm good. All these working out shits, I'm good. Supposed to be some kind of waterfall. What's the name of this place?
Peachtree Rock.
Peachtree Rock. Someplace in South Carolina. Nowhere, South Carolina. Look at this. The women are carrying backpacks. The dude is walking with a cigarette in his hand.
And a soda can.
And a soda can. Nice. I wouldn't carry yours either because it's pink.
My shorts keep going up my ass. So if you're videoing.
Your pack covers your ass.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah,
Like
we don't.
my ass.
You're not. It's not an X-rated video.
Well, I moved the backpack in. Why did that one turn into a pet later? Oh, it is. The one in the yard started too. That's your sister's at work. Somebody burned down. Right where it's at. Oh. There's lots of roots in the trap.
Pick your feet up.
I can't work my feet with these shoes on for some reason. I'm not used to sneakers. I run into everything. Somebody wandering around my house.
I run into more shit with my bare feet than I do with my shoes on.
Because you're used to shoes. I used to no shoes at all. You big flop things. Oh shit, there's a hollow spot. You thought I was joking? I was walking.
That is not my child.
But I want to see it. I see it. There's a waterfall right there. There's a little baby one.
She's walking off the beaten trail because she heard a baby waterfall. She's a whiner though. Now she thinks she gotta run to catch up to the boyfriend. She might lose him. She should lose him. Just Mom's opinion.
Rocks. There's probably rocks that way. This way the waterfall is. You running? Why are you running?
What are you picking up?
Nothing.
She's filling her backpack full of rocks.
These get sticks. You get rocks. These get smelly sticks.
Although the next step is to try to sell some of her rock pickers. Rocks that she's picked over the years. Maybe we can videotape that. I'm not sure. Oh, I seen a video last night about rocks. A rock shop where we're heading to sell your rocks. And he had one that was kind of prickly. It was round, but it had little mountains sticking off of it.
Yeah.
And the top of the little mountains were purple. It was petrified dinosaur poop.
Ah. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. There's our tough little puppy.
Oh.
There's our tough little girl. Come on, tough girl.
Tough girl.
Come on, tough girl.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
Right.
No, come on, tough
No,
girl.
you have to go home.
She just wants
I
to
would
say
like
hi.
you to take you. I would like to take you with me. Do you want to say hi?
She's still getting socialized.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Come
Go ahead. You can yell at me. Everybody else yells at me. Some nice looking rocks. That's Peachtree Waterfall. It's not very big, but it is a waterfall. Let's go taste it. Ooh, very minerally. Lots of iron. How I lost the kids. I don't think that's a bad thing. Oh, I didn't lose them. Here they come.
Who made it all dirty?
Huh?
Who making it all dirty?
I was drinking it. It's very got a whole lot of minerals, a lot of iron.
Yeah.
I tasted it off the rock.
Yeah, I know you did. I wasn't looking to taste it.
She's digging in the hole. You need to do some research on what kind of rocks have the gems in them. The geo whatever they are.
The rocks having rocks?
Yeah, the rocks with babies in the middle when you break them open.
They're up north. That's where they are. They're not here.
Yeah, I follow a lady on one of the social medias that does it in Pennsylvania.
Yeah. Yeah, that.
There's a pretty one.
Somebody drew on that one.
That's not even a rock,
No,
it's a leaf.
Jeez,
It's got some nice rock formations around here. Let's go read the sign. Maybe we should go to the top of the waterfall. Yes, it is cold. Taste it. Got a lot of iron in it. That white posie's over there. We're going up and over? Guess we're going up and over, gang.
I don't know where else we're going. Or where else there is to go, because this is the only place I've been. There's water there.
I think I found the easy way.
Huh? A little bit of a stretch. I think there's an easier way, like around the other way. Other side of the big ass rock.
There's probably a path from somewhere. Alright, we'll have to put you down to do this. Alright, I made it. We haven't been to the top to look down on a waterfall before, neighbors. It's not a very big waterfall, but it's a waterfall.
You don't eat them.
What?
Look, show her, Scott. He wants to eat it. You don't eat that. You don't eat that.
Hey, you do.
Shove it in your head. Tell me when it bites your tongue.
Yeah. Cook it first. A little bit anyway.
You eat them when they get bigger.
Yeah, when
don't
it's bigger,
eat that.
kind of small right there.
Yeah,
You don't eat that.
it's a southern thing, but yeah, you
No, you
eat them when they get bigger.
You don't eat that.
We found a critter. Chris found a critter.
You don't eat that.
There's a critter hole under the tree.
That's something we live in there.
Yeah. He's got rocks
Somebody's
in there.
living in there too.
He's got rocks in there. I want to see the rocks.
Oh, hey, you guys gotta go first. That's why I got you here, so you can go through the spider webs.
We're going. So we're going the quick way. Oh, shut up. No. There's more rocks. I couldn't find any rocks when I first came to this thing. No wonder I didn't go past the quick. No secret of it. Oh, look at that stone. Oh, damn. That's a pretty cool stone.
That's awesome.
There's got to be gold in this creek.
Probably not.
It's awful hot. This up here. Why am I dripping? My rocks are not that way. What the hell?
Why is this like an unbeaten path?
Because it probably is. But that's how you find the cool stuff, Mom. That's also how you get lost.
Well, I got peanut M&Ms that'll last us a couple days, 3 twice a day.
I got some Swedish fishies.
And I got there is one payday left.
My rocks are not that way. I must have fucking broken water bottle. Okay, that's not a path.
They're taking me through the freaking woods.
It's not a path. This was a path to a pink one.
I think over here is the real path.
Well, it might be the creek. Nope. That might be the real path. That kind of looks like the real path.
I got us unlost.
Oh, jeez. You about stepped on me. You can't walk behind me like that. I stopped way too fast. Oh, I thought it was a snail. Look at all the little rocks. Oh, shit. Falling. Huh. There's all kinds of them up there. That one looks pink. Okay, maybe not. It's supposed to be the new diamond. That's what Google tells me. Some translucent damn pink gem to turn into a rose diamond. There's no path here. There's not even rocks. This is the path in the woods. Oh, look at that. And this is how people get lost. Shiny stuff. Hey, somebody else knew about it. They broke it.
Take a piece in case you get us lost and we need to build a fire.
Oh, we've seen like 30 of them so far, so I don't think we'll be out. There's another one right there. Where'd he go now?
I don't know. I'd say from the looks of the path, we're on an unbeaten path.
Oh,
But
shit. Yep, he didn't go down a path. I would have totally just lost him because I would have went that way.
he'd have found us.
Yeah. He'd have ran and caught up. I can't break it to make it smell. Ugh. It don't smell. Thankfully, it don't have ants on it either, though. Look it. It don't smell because this was already broken. But and this was just mixed by itself. Yeah, that's what the point. Who made this thing so heavy? Who the heck thinks they always use buttons? Walking up the little tiny creek to get up the damn rocks.
That isn't from here.
What the heck's there a brick in the middle of that?
That's what I just said. That's not from here. Which way do we go?
There's rocks in there.
There's a house over there.
That's a church, I think.
Okay, well this looks like a beaten path.
Yeah. That one not so much because it's got pine needles everywhere. Or that way. Oh. We just walked to the other side of the park. There's the short side, but that looks like a path too. Deer path.
Look how the pine needles fall and hang on the trees. Ain't that neat? Yeah, it looks like there's paths over there.
Yeah, yeah. Luckily I seen that before I started going down there. Property boundary. Ha! We were on not a designated trail.
So why are we going back that way?
I don't know. I was going to the little gator pond. Little gator pond over there.
All right, well we can do that. This is a
Probably not
fire
the mayor,
break.
but-
This is a fire break.
Yeah. So we're probably not that way either.
No. Let's say we go
went to
this
the
way.
short side of the park.
If you want to go to the gator, let's go down here.
All the rocks are the other way apparently. Oh shit. I don't know if you should go down there. Pine needles are on slippery.
I'm going to let you go first, so if I slide, you can catch me.
Okay. I'm running. Okay. Oh. So I could walk around to that one. Yeah, it's fine. Somebody put carpet. Somebody put carpet in it. What the shit? It's a freaking... What the shit?
So when it's wet, it's not slippery. Oh shit. That wasn't as bad as I thought.
It's a gator pond.
These are blueberry bushes, I think.
You would think, but they're not.
They're not.
No.
Where'd the pond go? You missed the pond. It's right here.
Yeah, I know there are blueberry bushes right here too. They're not. They're it.
Where's the pond?
See, there's a gator. See the little baby head right there?
Yeah.
There's a gator head.
I almost slipped into the pond. Doesn't look very deep. You got a what?
I got a soda can pissing out. That's why I'm still dripping.
Why is there a soda can in there?
Because that was my drink. Found it.
I see it.
Damn it.
That's what happens when you mix cans and rocks. And that's why the bug is playing with your ass, because it's sticky from soda.
Yep. I got bugs on my ass because of the soda can that was dripping all over me like I said. Who's playing with trees?
They're picking up wood.
It smells like dirt.
Yeah, I don't think this is the way. I think that's the way.
I can see why people would get lost around here. See, this is one I found.
There's so many freaking different paths everybody has made, and the water has made.
I am all chicken. Somebody got cocoa over me.
You better go get a shower in the
That shit's cold.
freaking waterfall.
And I got my shoes on.
Oh, my phone's ringing in the backpack. Must have service here anyway. I hear the waterfall.
It's a baby one. Oh no, that's a big one. I get it.
Some nice rocks.
A little culvert of rocks. It's a big ass rock. She's got us walking off cliffs and shit.
Yeah, we can't get there from here. I'm not jumping that far. I could have 10 years ago.
Good, but I'm not camping that. That's gonna hurt a lot if I don't make it.
Oh look, there's people over there. And a white dog. Let's go this way. Go this way. I'm going this way. I'll meet you at the bottom.
Good damn trees.
I'll meet you at the bottom. You think I can't do this alone? I ain't that fucking old. I do everything alone. Yes, everything. There's critters living up in there. How'd you end up on my side of the rock?
Throw it for the spider, now throw it away.
How'd you end up on my side of the rock?
I don't know. I was looking for a holy rock.
There's holy rocks right here.
Yeah, but you're gonna need a rock that you can hold in your hand.
Oh,
You gotta hold it and it'll click. It's some ancient thingy where it's a rock. There's gotta be a holy rock.
I don't see no footprints.
Gotta be a holy rock.
Probably back in there. Crawl in and find out.
What? Who's in there?
Holy rocks.
Oh. Oh yeah. I want that pizza-shaped one over there. Tucker likes triangle rocks. I'm not climbing any good though. It's a little creepy. Chris! Oh, you see that pizza-shaped rock over there? You see the triangle one up there?
Well, way in there?
Yeah, way in there.
Like last one up there?
Yeah, almost.
Uh-huh.
Well, there's tons more cave beyond that, but you see.
She wants that rock,
Nobody's
Chris. Go
climbing
get
in
it.
Nobody's climbing in there.
Well, I never said he was stupid. I might have called him quite a few other things, but I never said he was stupid. Megan just said to him, I'm pretty sure that was her version of a compliment. Hey, we're on the trail again.
Okay, you gotta drag that tree back to the truck.
We ain't taking no frickin' trees.
In your backpack.
We ain't taking no frickin' trees. My backpack's full of water and survival essentials.
Well, you can get a fire going from the top of the cold because we can heat up the rocks and put them in the blanket. In the blanket.
My heat blanket's already heated.
Yeah, well, it runs out eventually. And you want to be all cold all the time, so you probably be the one with the rocks.
I'd be the one with snuggled up to the rocks. I'm not putting rocks in my pants.
Wait, and what if you were cold enough? That might be the rock I was talking about. It's bigger on the top than the bottom.
Yeah, I think we've seen that in a picture.
See,
I can't get a picture, there's too many trees. We were just over there.
Well, then why did you see it when we were over
It was on the other side of the rock we were climbing under.
I guess it could be. I guess it could be any finger.
The can's talking to you.
I know. It has a lot of shit to talk about. I had to keep putting my thumb on it.
You know what I haven't seen or felt?
What?
Haven't seen or felt. What haven't you seen or felt?
I don't know.
That are everywhere at your house.
Oh. Bugs?
Nope.
Caterpillars?
There you go.
They're not here yet because the leaves still are on the trees.
Yeah, I noticed your leaves are getting pretty scarce. So here is an old still. I found it. Seriously, child.
Uh-huh. You said I could pick it up. You didn't actually think I could pick it up,
Oh my
huh?
goodness.
Yep. You didn't
I'm
actually
glad
think
I don't have to carry it. What the hell is the dragonfly doing?
He's bouncing. He's trying to get something out of the water. He dropped his bug. I don't fucking know. He's stuck in his spider web. Probably is.
No, he's moved. Did you see that, neighbors? What the hell is the dragonfly doing? Somebody tell me in the comments what the hell the dragonfly's doing. I've seen dragonflies my entire life. I've never seen that before.
There's a squirrel talking to me. He was calling a squirrel.
Okay, neighbors. Hour and 15 minutes. Hike is over. We gotta go get food. I burned way too much calories. Until the next video, you stay safe and healthy.